Hi, welcome to In Your Space by Milagro Interiors. I have a gorgeous home to show you today. We are in San Hill. It's in Santander, Colombia. It has gorgeous views, beautiful balconies. Can't wait to show you, so stay tuned. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because I have more videos coming your way. This home is gorgeous. You don't want to miss any more homes just like this one that are coming out. My name is Maria. I'm from Milagro Interiors. I'm a home stager, interior decorator, and photographer. So stay tuned and keep watching because this house is gorgeous. Well, hello, welcome. I'm glad you came to join my tour. Come on in. I have a spectacular room to show you. Wow, right? Can't you believe the height of the ceiling? There's a nice balcony up there. I'm going to bring you up there soon. But let's come to this main floor first. Come on in. What are you waiting for? Beautiful. I was shocked when I saw it. I want you to be shocked. Every detail of this home is spectacular. The ceiling height, the clean lines. Love the way the architect has these windows. It has some nice sliding window feature here with the screen. A fantastic piece of lighting. I love the decor. They did a great job. The beautiful double doors coming on into the home. And this fantastic kitchen. Come on, follow me. Love the dining table. This countertop is spectacular. I just love the contrast between the black and the white. I love the invisibility of the cabinetry, how clean and slick it is. Just look at this one right here. I have to show you this. This is almost invisible. It's part of the wall. You don't even know that they're cabinetry. So I'm just going to look inside. And look at the lighting inside. Great touch from the architecture. Spectacular, and it's just perfectly done. This is the main bedroom, and it has a huge walk-in closet, but I want you to pay attention to this view. Look at this view. Nice outdoor balcony. Beautiful garden. Just love the gardens. I'll take you outside soon, but look at the mountain view. Imagine yourself lying in this bed, waking up to this sunrise or falling asleep at the sunset with this gorgeous view. Huge walk-in closet. So I want to show you something here. There's this closet here, and I bet you don't know what it is. I would like you to guess down, comment below and guess, let me know what you think it is before you actually even see it, because I'm curious if you all can guess it. So we're in the bathroom here, in the master bedroom, and there's this special closet, and I'm going to open it right now. So let's have a look. Can you guess what it is yet? It's a mini laundry area. Right here we have the shower. Look at the window. Look how huge it is. So this is the master bathroom. There's double sink, some cabinetry, beautiful colors, well done. We have a massage table. Can you imagine having a massage table in your bathroom? Amazing. There's a makeup table there and a bathroom there. But look at the windows, mountain views. Also designed his home so he doesn't have to use that much lighting. We wanted some natural, more of the natural light.
Bailame y date la vuelta pa' que se dé cuenta. Solo resta, el ambiente se presta. Si tú estás nadie cuesta, te pago la cuenta. El novio la sometía, pero ya estaba cansada de la monotonía. Me mandó la ubicación y le llegué enseguida. Nada, tuve la de noche, una Barbie de día. Ahora activa en la disco con la soltería. El efecto de la pastilla me explotó enseguida. Seguí viendo la película y quién lo diría. Que su beso me sabría caipiriña. Pégate.
What do you think about the backsplash behind the stove? I just love the pattern. I think it complements the kitchen nicely. The kitchen is very functional and the architect did a great job on the design. Next to the kitchen is the laundry room. And onto the left side of the laundry room, we walk into the maid's quarters.
Deseo tu cuerpo más que tu tiempo. Y como te digo, no quiero ser amigos. Bésame un ratito, un ratito. Quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito.
This home has some beautiful gardens with some exotic plants, and I cannot stress how gorgeous this view is. 360-degree views. Not only do you see the mountain views from the top floor, but you can also see them from the main level. Just gorgeous. Suavecito, suavecito. Yo quiero estar contigo un poquito, un poquito. Tu cuerpo y el mío pegadito, pegadito. Si jugas conmigo, cuidadito, cuidadito. Vamos con el ritmo suavecito, suavecito. Wow. Okay, I think I love this space. It's a nice space to do yoga. Look at it. And it overlooks the kitchen and living area. Look at the ceiling. I love it. I love this space. You could do so much with this space. It has so much potential. The bathroom on the second floor has ceramic patchwork tile on the flooring and as well as in the shower. This vanity was imported from the US and it's antique, and look at what they did. They converted it into a sink. Great idea. Wow, the views. So for a few ideas, upstairs can be used as a gym. As you can see, they have the yoga mat. A studio, it could be a games room. So many opportunities. Wow. You have a nice view of the pool area. And now I'll take you to the outdoor kitchen. It's raining though. Nunca pudo ser. Me enamoré de un amor, me ilusioné. Todo me lo imaginé. Nunca fue, pero me enamoré. Only call me when you're drunk and high. The landscape and views are gorgeous. And now the outdoor area, the kitchen and pool. I could picture many of parties here and hiring a chef to cook for everyone because this kitchen is fully equipped. Imagine grilling for the party here. Just picture yourself here grilling and looking at that beautiful view. Using the wood oven stove to make many pizzas. I'm not sure if they make pizza, but being an Italian, I would make a lot of pizza here. Look at that stovetop. Now this is a chef's paradise. This outdoor kitchen has two design styles, farmhouse and industrial design. Pay attention to the mural on the wall. There's another one that we're going to be seeing in the bathroom, and it was designed and painted by the architect's daughter. So here is the other mural that I told you about. I just love every little detail that the architect put into this home. He did a spectacular job. I'm gonna add his info in the description below. Pay attention to metallic fence that's surrounding the kitchen. This is created for security purposes, and it opens right up. The pool has three areas. There's the endless swimming pool, there's the beach area, which is the shallow end. You can put a lawn chair there and relax and enjoy the sun, and then there's the jacuzzi area, and it's surrounded by beautiful views. Yes, this place has it all. I'm just going to zoom in here and show you. It has a gas fire pit. This is perfect for those cool nights. You can sit here and enjoy a nice glass of wine.
Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed putting these videos together for you. This home was spectacular. There's so many great features. I'm curious, what was your most favorite feature? Comment below, let me know. I'm always interested in knowing what you guys think. And yeah, I have many more videos coming your way, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when a new video like this one comes out. Again, I'm Maria. Thanks for watching. Ciao for now. My family's in the pool, so I'm gonna go and join that. We have a newsletter. I hope you can join us. We have some freebies and some interior decorating tips for you. So the link is in the description below. So please join us and you'll see what's coming your way.
bucks. They all look. It's Spanish now.